Nathaniel had $20. He spent $3 on lunch and bought 3 pens that cost $2M each. Express the amount of money he had left in terms of M. Okay, the first thing we need to do is actually draw a model. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just draw a long bar over here to represent $20. We know that he spent $3 on lunch. Okay, so I'm going to write here, this one is lunch, $3. And then I know that he bought 3 pens that cost $2M each. Since it's 3 pens, right? Okay, so 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen. And each of them is $2M each. So this one, the question states, express the amount of money he had left in terms of M. So this one will be what he's left. So over here, we're going to put the question mark. So it'll be a good practice, right, for you to draw a model for the algebra questions to clearly show where the money is actually going, so that you will not be caught, you will not be caught unaware of what a question is actually asking for. Now, out of $20, he spent $3 on lunch. Then he spent on 3 pens, which cost $3M each. Over here, the first step you need to do is to find out what is the total cost of all the pen. So this one, method 1, 2M plus 2M plus 2M. Naturally, that will give us 6M. Okay? Method 2, 2M times 3. Same thing. 2M times 3. Number multiplied by number, 6. Variable multiplied by variable, M. There's no variable here, right? It's just 1. So it's just 1 times M equals to M. So actually you get 6M. See? They are the same. So now the next part is take $3 and add it to the 6M. So it's $3 plus 6M. So this will be the total cost. This will be the total cost of what he has spent on the pens and the lunch. Now the question is, express the amount of money he had left. It will just be 20 minus this. And this, we have found it out to be 3 plus 6M. So it will be 20 minus bracket 3 plus 6M. Okay. So it will be 20 minus 3 and minus 6M. 20 minus 3 will give me 17. And then you cannot subtract a whole number with a variable. Okay, so it will just be 6M. So the answer will be 17 minus 6M. Okay, so the answer will be question 3. The answer will be option 4. Okay, so for parents, right, how are you going to teach your kids? Yes, is that you have to ensure that you draw the model. So for kids and parents, same thing. Draw the model first, visualize the entire portion. After you visualize it, find out all the amount that he has spent on, after which take the full sum minus this one. That's actually how you get it. It's actually quite simple. Alright? Okay, hope this is helpful.